By the time they come up, I'd like to thank everyone who has helped to put up this wonderful show today evening. Rachana, Neha, Gavin, Lara, Pearl, and everyone else from the Copcom and operations team. I'd also like to thank the management of IB Chavan, Statecraft, and Madhu. Yeah. Akshay, will you please come up? Sir, Governor Sir, will you please come up? Sir. May you please present this on behalf. Thank you very much. Thank you. We've also received donations from Lalit Golwara. Thank you very much, Lalitji. And we are going to send some boxes around. I hope that all of you will put your hands into your pocket and donate for this good cause. Thank you very much. We now request you to say a few words.
Our dear Dr. Batra, we are from the Shepherd Home Image. We thank you for calling us to attend this great function which we never received. And Dr. Batra is helping such a lot to our home, free medication to look after our health, and he is keeping us in good health. And all the time he is worried about us, and he loves us so much. May God bless him abundantly, his family, and give him good life, long life, prosperity to everyone in the home. I thank you very much once again on behalf of all the Shepherd.
Thank you for all your blessings. I request.
Dr. Mukesh is a multifaceted personality. Talk of music is there, talk of photography is there, and of course one of the leading international homeopathic doctor. He is a Rotarian, currently president of Rotary Club of Bombay, and we are so proud that he is there. All the Rotarians, please. I choose this year. I knew that Mukesh Batra is going to be the president in 16-17, and I said, let him be the governor this year. Thank you. We are proud of you, sir. Thank you. Keep helping the Rotary, keep helping the people. And we are so proud that Gulshan Grover is here among us. So nice evening. Thank you so much. With your kind permission, one couplet for you. जरा सा कतरा आज कहीं उतरता है, जरा सा कतरा अगर आज जमीन पे उतरता है तो समंदर के लहजों में बात करता है। जरा सा कतरा अगर आज जमीन पे उतरता है तो समंदर के लहजों में बात करता है। आप आए हो तो कुछ चांदनी सी बातें करें, आप आए हो तो कुछ चांदनी सी बातें करें। कहाँ रोज रोज चांद धरती पे उतरता है, कहाँ रोज रोज चांद धरती पे। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I thought Dr. Batra was multi-talented, but he's diversely multi-talented. Doctor by profession, one of the nicest, wonderful human beings, an entrepreneur with a noble enterprise, forward thinking, reaching out to various parts of the world with an enterprise that is helping everybody. And along with all this, a photographer. I had the pleasure of seeing opening his photography exhibition. A singer, a dedicated singer. I had the great privilege of being at his home for dinner one evening, and he was very kind enough to sing 2 or 3 songs. But today, seeing him on stage, singing song after song, difficult ones, and in one of the songs, his son said, Akshay said, this one is very difficult. I'm an actor, and part of our training is, when I was in the acting school, along with my classmates, Anil Kapoor, late Mazhar Khan, and many others, in the acting class, one of the class was singing. whether you like it or not, you have to sing. And because it helps you to say your dialogues better, modulate them, speak your dialogues in a certain way. So singing was one of the important classes in the institute. I was fantastic in that class. I was so good that I would find new excuses to miss that class. I discovered that I was very good, so I said, better that I stay away from the class. But as the course progressed, and we realized no matter, like how good or bad we are, we have to absolutely get to the class and go through the process of learning to sing. I did my best, and my big test came in the movies, every time when you become a little famous, popular, one of the ideas I think of is, एक गाना गा लीजिए सर आप पिक्चर में, और आप बैटमैन खलनायक अगर आप गाना गाएंगे तो you'll have a very interesting media coverage and everything. मैंने 2-3 बार कोशिश की, वो था गाना, जब मैंने खत्म किया तो रैप हो गया. And उसके बाद मेरा बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट आया. We were on a world tour. We did these live performances. There was Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, me, and 3-4 heroines, and the show was directed by Ashutosh Gawadekar. So one of the act was in which Amir is a woman and he's dancing as a woman. बाजी फिल्म आई थी ना उसकी, उसका कुछ एक्ट था, and मैं आकर उसे सताता हूँ. सताने के बाद at a particular point he leaves, and all the heroines sort of gather around me and they say कि क्या punishment दी जाए आपको ये करने के लिए, कि punishment है गाना गा के सुनाओ. And that song I had to sing for a certain amount of time because Amir had to get back to backstage, shower, change, become from a woman to the handsome hero. And मैं जो गाना गा रहा हूँ, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, वो गाना गाते गाते पीछे से इमर्ज करना था उसको. बस मैंने 400 से ज्यादा फिल्मों में एक्टिंग की है, कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुई. लेकिन वो गाना गाने में मुझे इतनी तकलीफ हुई, इतनी परेशानी हुई कि तीसरी चौथी रिहर्सल में सबको समझ में आ गया कि ये बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. एंड उसमें मामला ये था कि आई कांट फिनिश इट अर्ली बिकॉज वी हैव टाइम्ड इट कि इतनी दूर ग्रीन रूम है, वहां पर फटाफट तैयार होगा, ब्लो ड्राई करेगा अपने हीरो, बाल फटाफट आएगा. एंड माई फ्रेंड शाहरुख खान केम टू माई रेस्क्यू व्हेन ही रियलाइज्ड कि ये होगा नहीं गुलशन ग्रोवर से. तो he sort of decided, it was not his act, he decided, I am going to come and join you in your singing. अब जब शाहरुख खान गा रहा था साथ में तो उसमें मैं टूटी फूटी आवाज लगा के निकल गया, मेरा मामला चल गया. तो I am such a great singer. So मैं इसलिए एक किस्सा सुनाया कि my appreciation for your diverse multi-talent has increased manifold hearing you sing such wonderful songs, which not only has tremendous nostalgia, tremendous, song value, but you singing them has made them very special. Thank you for inviting me, and thank you. Thank you.
what do you think of the initiatives by Dr. Batra?
I think the initiative by Dr. Batra of making sure that that it's not just a program to be entertained. Behind this is the deeper meaning that a certain funds, certain support is given to a worth applauding charitable cause. That I'm really feel very happy having seen that, and Dr. Batra made me present that check to them, and as he had mentioned on the phone, that how people are forgetting their elders, how they are not really taking care or concerned. It pains me to hear that. It pains me to know that. But it makes me happy that there are people like Dr. Batra and his organization who are coming forward to help.
What has really motivated you to be a part of this event today?
My appreciation and looking up to Dr. Batra's diverse multi-talent, his personality, his achievements, and us being friends for such a long time. And this has inspired me to look at some of the faculties, some of the interests that I've had, but haven't really had the time or the interest to sort of take them forward or to do anything about them. I mean, look at this. All of us are busy, and Dr. Batra would be far more busy, and yet he finds time to do something about things that he's passionate about his passion, whether it is singing, whether it is photography, whether it is taking part in various other activities, including which I just heard today about Rotary Club.
Is there a particular message that you would like to give for such kind of initiatives that they've been undertaking?
I think I like to mention there's a film being made on me and Salma Hayek, when Salma Hayek plays my wife. It's called The Driver. And the whole theme of that film is that one day the wife realizes that how the husband is got consumed by the responsibilities of the families, by doing things for the family, and has had no time to pursue his passions. So seeing Dr. Batra perform today, seeing Akshay, his son, perform today, seeing his grandson perform today, I'm reminded of that film, that we get so consumed by our own responsibilities, activities, work and everything, that we have no interest in what the other passions that we've had. And look at this, as Dr. Batra looks at the nature, looks at life, and captures that in his camera. Dr. Batra, passionate about singing, makes it an yearly effort. The very fact that the date for next year, 11th January, in Sophia College, right, is announced today. It speaks, that how passionate, how enthusiastic about this singing event he is. I wish all the very best to my friend Dr. Batra and his family, and I wish more success. And I saw how everybody was enjoying, and it gives people an opportunity. At least it has given me an opportunity to not be so boring and just do acting or whatever I'm doing. Along with that, there are other things that fascinate, and one is passionate about. One must pursue that. कोई ज़्यादा सवाल पूछना मत, क्या सोच के ऐसे बोल रही है?
Thank you.
My good friend Viral Behani is one of the finest and
He sends it all over. Thank you.
The initiative of singing.
I started singing 8 years ago as a hobby, and I sing every day whenever I'm in town. My Guruji comes home, and then also the rhythm person, tabla wala, also comes home later.
There are many CSR initiatives that you do. take, which you really support, with one of them being Magic Moments. Are there
Yes.
anything else that probably
Yes, we have lots of them. We're running a free homeopathy clinic. We run actually 175 free clinics all over the country, also in Dubai. And we also have a scholarship in 10 top universities where we give students, homeopathic students, scholarships. And we treat almost 25,000 patients every year, totally free of charge. And then my doctors go to these old age homes, other NGOs, animal shelters, blind children, and we've been treating them for more than 30 years.
one motivational song that you have for women of Shepherd's Widow?
I think hope is something which is fabulous, and this is the song that I sing for my grandson, because I believe this is what we should all aim for. चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. Thank you.